wait. Okay, there.
Sit. Down. Hand. Other hand. Hand up. Bang bang. That's it. Bang bang. Bang bang. Oh, I think you can roll over.
Yeah.
Alright. Sit. 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 Luffy, sit.
He's getting frustrated.
Luffy, sit. Sit. Yeah. One like it. Sit.
I think he wants water. No?
Sit. Luffy, sit. Down.
He doesn't like to go down on a cold floor. Bang!
Oh, I can't roll over.
He could.
The other dogs don't even care when they do that.
Luffy!
Yeah, you gotta do
Luffy, give it to Mama. Here. Luffy. No, Luffy, sit. Luffy, sit. Good boy. Luffy, down. Good boy. Luffy, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay. Good boy. Luffy, give it to Mama. Luffy, sit. Luffy, hand. 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 Other hand. Other hand. Okay, good boy. Here you go.
He's too fast to put his hand up.
He really likes his yogurt.
I'm gonna try to calm down. CRV.
Luffy, do you like the yogurt? Huh? Luffy. Luffy, sit. Good boy. Luffy, come here. Luffy, go on your bed. On your bed. Good boy. Sit. Okay. Good boy. Okay, here. He's moving while licking the yogurt.
That's okay. My favorite cereal.
He's traveling with the yogurt. Luffy, it's your birthday tomorrow. Luffy! Luffy!
Okay.
Luffy, where's Grandma?
He doesn't care.
Let me take the yogurt. Give it to Mama. Come on, come on. Ooh, there's still a lot in there. What is it?
You want me to put it back in the refrigerator?
No, I can have it. Peanut butter.
Let's eat this. Which one does he like more? I want the yogurt more.
Okay, you can have the yogurt.